Wait, I didn't get it. I didn't get it.
Oh, he's going down.
And go.
He's got it. He's got it. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. He's got the fish. Did you see the bird take it? It's a catfish. Holy smokes! Holy cow. You gotta be kidding me, man.
Oh, and a fish. Look at that.
Whoa, Daddy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. No!
He's off now. Right?
Oh my God!
Good job, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Will, lift the net up. Lift up. Whoa! You did not videotape that.
Oh my gosh!
Everyone, I got a shark. I got a shark. Oh my gosh, I got a keeper. Look how big it is. Oh my gosh, don't let him fall back in the water.
What is it?
Yeah. I got that on film.
Oh, he must be.
Oh my God!
Look at the fish. Oh, that's the fish. Fisherman James.
Oh, no, Lily, no.
You didn't catch a picture, did you?
What did you say?
We never got to catch a fish.
Who is alive?
Who is alive?
Whoa.
Well, yes, he's alive.
There's a fish in your shoe? I see it.
Bring it in, baby. Tell me what to do. This is bigger than my trout. Way bigger.
That thing's giant.
This is like 17 fish tacos. Hi, mommy caught a shark. Look at this shark. Oh.
Now push the button.
Is Audrey going with him?
And cast. You gotta push and oh.
Give him a kiss. No, literally, you gotta give him a kiss.
He's gonna bite me.
Kiss him.
Don't let him fall back in the water.
Okay.
First one.
Mommy, the fish ate my worm.
Did he?
Yeah, fast, Reggie. He ate my worm.
Watch it. Jive pose.
Catch him.
Good job, Jared. Damn.
Fell again.
And go when you go forward, let go at the end.
Oh, get the ball, get the ball.
No. No. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. My ultralight.
My life be like.
Oh, my God.
He's stuck.
Come on, pretty close to see what you caught.
He's stuck.
Not cool, bro.
Big tail. Now, the net. Hey, oh.
Yeah, Brian, another big Rottweiler.
You can do it.
That is designed to make a popping sound when you jerk your rod.
Oh, it's it.
No, Benny.
Whoa! Come. Oh no!
Oh, go ahead, baby.
Go. Oh! Keep it up, keep it up. Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Who cares? Come on, come on. Oh!